Asko Dryer Repair Services in Dallas and Fort Worth specialize in Asko Dryer Repair that consists of Asko Gas Dryer Repair and Asko Electric Dryer Repair, Asko Front Load Dryer Repair, and Asko Top Load Dryer Repair, along with all other Asko dryer models. If you are having problems with your Asko dryer, such as the dryer won't start, you need an Asko dryer belt replacement, your dryer stops turning during cycle, your dryer won't heat, the dryer won't turn at all, dryer takes too long, the dryer's too hot, the dryer won't stop, the dryer trips the breaker, possibly your dryer makes noise. Whatever your problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.